This is gonna blow your mind. California is facing another massive wildfire. Thousands are on the move, and the story is still unfolding. A rapidly spreading brush fire has erupted in Southern California, scorching thousands of acres practically overnight. Fueled by blistering heat and dry winds, the fire is moving fast, forcing entire neighborhoods to evacuate with barely any warning. Firefighters are battling the flames on the ground and from the air, but containment remains tough. Roads are closed, smoke is choking the sky, and local shelters are filling up as families flee their homes. Officials are urging everyone nearby to stay alert and follow evacuation orders. This is a breaking story. Stay safe, California. Remember to like and subscribe for more news and updates.